Today, we are going to use K518 Pro to program November 2024 BYD Seal 06 Smart Key. Now I have two keys in my hand. The one on the left is the original key. Another is new blank key. When this car programming keys, the original car key must also be programmed together. Then it can be used. Now let's do the key programming with the K518 Pro. Open the K518 Pro. Choose BYD. Smart Key. Select Seal. Read key information. Find sensing area. The sensing area is in the storage box. Then we put the original key. OK. Now we click OK. Put the original car keys in the sensing area. OK, the number of program keys is 2. Now let's choose the key programming. The current number of keys is 2. Put the programming key into this induction coil. We just dropped off our original car keys. Click OK. Programming successfully. Whether it programming the next one, place the key that need to be programmed in the sensing area. Now let's take off the original car key and replace it with a new blank key. OK, click OK. Programming successfully. Whether it programming the next one, cancel. OK, program successful. The number of smart keys is 2. Click OK. Well, the 2 keys have been programmed. The car doesn't have a delete keys menu. When you programming new keys, it will automatically erase all keys. So that's why the original car keys also need to be reprogrammed. Now let's try it. Whether this key remote control work normally. Original car key. OK, new key. Lock. Unlock. Now we take the original key out of the car. Hit the brakes. And then place the new key here. Press the start button. New key OK. And then place the original car key. Turn off the ignition. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. OK. Use K518 Pro to program Smart Key for November 2024 BYD Seal 06 programming successful.